PHFI Recruitment 2026 West Garo Hills Research Assistant Jobs. Apply now for consultant post. The Public Health Foundation of India, PHFI, has officially released a vacancy notice for the recruitment of consultant research assistant positions in Meghalaya. This presents an exceptional opportunity for public health and social work professionals to contribute to a major healthcare initiative. The selected candidates will work under the India Primary Healthcare Support Initiative, IPSI, focusing on strengthening the comprehensive primary healthcare, CPHC, system within the region. Eligible and interested candidates are encouraged to review the details below and submit their applications before the closing deadline. Key recruitment details. Hiring organization, Public Health Foundation of India, PHFI. Position title, Consultant Research Assistant. Position code, PHFI CNST 2657. Total vacancies, 04 posts. Job location, West Garo Hills, Meghalaya. Employment duration, 03 months or coterminous with the project, whichever is earlier. Application mode, online, via office forms, and email submission. Last date to apply, 03 June 2026. About the project and organization. The Public Health Foundation of India, PHFI, is a premier public-private initiative, established in 2006, dedicated to building a healthier India by strengthening education, advancing research, and facilitating public health policies. This specific recruitment drives the India Primary Healthcare Support Initiative, IPSI, led by Johns Hopkins University with AIIMS Delhi as the key India partner. In collaboration with the Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong, IIPHS, the project in West Garo Hills aims to optimize the local primary healthcare delivery system through a continuous cycle of demonstration, measurement, and recognition. Job summary and key deliverables. Selected candidates for the PHFI. Recruitment 2026. West Garo Hills Research Assistant jobs will be responsible for field-level data collection, transcription, translation, and coordination. Core responsibilities. Collect qualitative data using approved topic guides in the field. Transcribe gathered qualitative data into the local language and subsequently translate it into English. Engage in qualitative data analysis of primary data using computer-assisted qualitative analysis software or manual methods. Follow up and coordinate data collection progress with field supervisors. Maintain regular reports and update the principal investigator, PI, and team members regarding project progress. Execute any other project-related or institutional tasks assigned by the PI.
Eligibility criteria. Candidates looking to apply for these public health jobs in Meghalaya must fulfill the following essential qualifications and skills. Educational qualification. Essential: master's degree in public health MPH, social work MUS, development studies, psychology, or allied disciplines. Experience. Essential: 3 to 5 years of active experience, working in community and research-based projects. Skills and competencies required. Language. High proficiency in Garo local language is essential. Geographical knowledge. Familiarity with the geography and health system of the West Garo Hills district. Technical skill. Solid knowledge of conducting qualitative research alongside important instructions and selection process. Consultancy fee will commensurate with the available skills and fitment of the incumbent. Based on the selection process, government employees, persons employed in government, semi-government organizations, or educational institutions in India must apply through the proper channel. Selection discretion. Mere eligibility does not entitle a candidate to be called for an interview. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Equal opportunity. Women candidates are highly encouraged to apply. How to apply for PHFI Recruitment 2026. Interested and eligible candidates must complete a 2-step application process before June 7, 2026. Fill the online form. Complete the official application form via the Microsoft Forms link provided below. Email your CV. Send your updated curriculum vitae CV to recruit@phfi.org. Subject line. You must mention the exact position code, PHFI CNEST to 657, in the subject line of your email.